we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Again, Swiss Link. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's figure out how we can get this open. It looks like they reused a larger box and then cut it down with a fold over flap. There manifests, besides giving a item description, also has little pictures to help you identify the items, which is helpful. Similar looking items, but with slight differences. Alright, so no particular order. Looks like on top here we have Belgian tactical vest with pouches. So it's just a vest, basically. Looks like got plastic buckles across the chest here. We got a big belt, a little bit of dirt on there, no big deal. Web belt, holes on top and bottom, not the middle row. Present. Looks like this has been trimmed and heat sealed at the end. And then we got some plastic sliders with a buckle. That one has a D-ring. And looks like got some pouch action going on here. There's a hook and latch. Secured onto the belt with loops. Got adjustment. Buckles on that side as well as this side. We also have another set of pouches on this side, small ones. Looks like across the top here we got areas to secure other things. And then what you want to hang onto these points. Likewise. It looks like snaps here to help keep these secured on. Same with this side. So pretty much symmetrical here. Here we got Velcro for not that though. That snaps onto there. Like that one snaps onto here. Also, listen, you can see all the various snap points there that will align up with these as needed. So you've got all four right there. But for now, I'm just going to snap that one onto there. Maybe this one too. Looks like we have another hook attachment point on this side as well as this side. And looks like the belt also can be attached onto there from the pouches crosswise. Yeah, so this whole thing, that's this whole thing up there. How these are mounted. Right. Notice too the grommets on the bottom row, but not on the top row for those ones. Alright, what other details can we see here real quick? Mesh, ventilation, and then on the back, looks like we have arranged two medium-size pack pouches. this right now. And this one actually accesses from this side. Has a little administrative pocket in there, you can see. And then we also have this larger pouch area here. Fully zipper open. This one, on the other hand, just has this one single pouch, as opposed to this one with the admin pouch. Alright, so again, this was the Belgian tactical vest with pouches, various sizes. Next we have Italian Ripstop Gaiters Woodland Camo. So you can see also it does have this more yellow and brown pattern besides the green. So let's see. There's the second one tucked inside. So you can see kind of the camo variation there. So it does have this prominent area of the yellow and brown. So is this one. Very nice. You can see the laces at this hem, and then the calf, upper calf area. We have the lacing to help cinch that up. And then also we have pretty still tight elasticity there, as well as on that one. You can see the grommets and lacing here. See if I get that re-looped into there. And likewise at the calf side. So Italian Ripstop Gaiters Woodland. And then last, not least, so we get the box out of the way, we have a Dutch Army Woodland backpack slash duffel bag used. Good condition. Yeah. Doesn't look that used, if any. Looks almost new actually, so maybe we've lucked out here. This looks very new. Yeah. So you can see the reinforced feet here to help keep it off the damp ground. Let's say if you have a floor surface as well. So here you got your backpack straps with chest closure or large handles. Looks like we also have tucked into here the regular normal sized handles, as well as this one right here. And since we did that, we have a nice large side pocket, smaller administrative pouch. Not even a pouch, just a ID loop right there. That side. On this side, we also have large pouch area, but no additional pouch there. Nothing on the ends. And then our main cargo area, two large zippers. Another pouch area there, and likewise on this side you can see zipper for another really large storage area on the inside. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. I can hear a reinforced bottom here. It's pretty thick. Some sort of plastic within these different multiple cloth layers. So again, large pouch, medium pouch here with a flap. This one has a zipper, and then we have two zippers for the large compartment. Again, okay. Various handles. What's going on with this? Looks like we have snaps. Yep. A little bit of reinforcement there. Likewise on this side as well. Little snap point. So working our way backwards through the list. Here we have the Dutch Army Woodland backpack. Duffel bag, used, good condition. But actually looks virtually new. We also had Italian Ripstop Gaiters, Woodland Camo pattern. And we had started off with a Belgian tactical vest with pouches. These all came from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Again, Swiss Link. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.